All right, this video is going to walk you through how to find a missing side in a non-right triangle. In right triangles, you've learned how to use sine, cosine, and tangent to find the missing sides and angles. But in this case, this is not a right triangle, so we have to use a different kind of tool. There are two tools you can use. One of them is law of sines, and one of them is law of cosines. With law of sines, the question you want to ask yourself is, can you circle an angle and an opposite side? In this picture, you will notice that the 10 degrees and the 60 are opposite each other, and we can circle those two pieces of information. In this case also, if you're trying to solve for x, we have to circle the x and its angle across from each other also. So I've made two circles, and now those two circles then create fractions. So my law of sines works like this. You take sine of your angle over the side, and that'll then equal the sine of the angle over the side. So in this first part, you're going to take sine of 10 over 60 and write this fraction like this. Then you're going to say that equals sine of 42 over x, like this. Now when you solve a proportion, you want to make sure you're solving it like this. You always multiply the diagonal that does not have the variable in it first. So we're going to take 60 times sine of 42 and then divide by sine of 10 degrees. You always divide by what is across from the variable that you're solving for. So let's go over to our calculator and type that in. So we're going to take 60 times sine of 42. So over here, 60, type in 60 times, and then sine of 42. So 42, and then close the parentheses. And then lastly, you'll notice we divide by what's across from your variable here, sine of 10 degrees. So I'll hit divide by sine of 10 degrees, and then do that all in one straight line. So it's written like this, and then just press enter, and you'll have your answer of 231.2 units for the length of this side right here. That's basically it. So you're going to be using law of sines. Whenever you can take an angle and a side that are across from each other and circle them, if you can do that, you can do law of sines, and then use that with your other side that you're working with, and make your proportion, type in the calculator, and then solve. That's it. Hopefully this video helps.